Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Valeria. If you guys are new here, welcome. How you doing? Today I am doing a full face of Huda Beauty products. I've been wanting to start like this kind of series with Huda Beauty because it's one of my favorite brands ever, and you guys know that, so I was waiting to accumulate a lot of Huda Beauty products so that I could do it for you guys. I'm still missing a couple, but I'm sure we'll get them eventually. So yeah, really happy with how this look turned out. I wanted to do like a fall look with like the dark, but I want to make it like vampy, you know? So I feel like it's like a muted, rosy tones. Oh, I use her new like nude palettes. Where's the other one at? Oh, right here. So this is definitely like inspired me to like, you know, use this color palette right here. Anyways, I really hope that you guys like it. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this look right here using all Huda Beauty products, then please keep on watching. So first we have the two Huda Beauty new palettes. This is the rich and medium. The light one I put it away because simply I just won't use it. But here we have the one that I'm going to be using today, which is the medium one. And then let me show you guys the rich one just for reference. Oh my god, it's oh so stunning. Actually, I don't know which one I'm feeling like today. I might do rich. I changed my mind. I'm gonna go with this one because it's more fall. This is like my safe zone, but this is like a little darker, so I'm gonna go in with this one. First, I'm gonna go in with the transition color, this one right here. I'm gonna start packing that right on the crease. And I just put concealer on my eyelid. I use the Overachiever concealer. I'll be using again, so I'll show you guys then. For some reason, I was expecting a lot more pigment from this color, but it's still nice. You know, it's still really nice and natural. Just not as pigmented. I wouldn't like to have to go in like multiple times to get like this color, you know? I'm actually gonna go in into the medium palette, and I'm gonna grab this color right here to see if it's a little more pigmented. Oh yeah, it looks a lot better. Usually for my skin tone. Oh yeah, this color is a lot more pigmented. Now we're gonna start working onto the crease. I'm actually gonna be using like back and forth because I feel like I wanna use both palettes. I mean, it'll probably make the decision a lot harder which one to get, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with the medium palette, and I'm gonna take this color right over here. It looks so nice and rich. I'm gonna use this in my Sigma E25 blending just to intensify the crease. There we go. Now that's some pigment. So I'm pretty much placing it in the same area. Only a little bit lower. I'm gonna use the bristles on the brush to blend that onto the crease. I must say guys, like when it comes to like the actual like big palettes, I'm not a fan of them. I bought one myself, and then I tried another one. I think one of my friends had it, and I was not impressed. I really didn't like it, so I just gave them away. But the mini palettes are like 10 times better, so I will honestly, if you were thinking about buying a Huda Beauty like eyeshadow palette, go for the minis because it's cheaper and I feel like the formula is a lot better. Now that we have the intensity that I want, I'm actually gonna end up using this palette. I am so annoying. I'm gonna go in with this darker color right here and just focus that right on my outer corner. Another reason why I love these palettes is because they're so small and the colors usually go together really well, so you can create so many looks with using just one eyeshadow palette. I'm taking a Morphe JH40 brush. I like it because of its shape and it packs on color very nicely in the outer corner. So this color is not as dark, again, as I was expecting, but it's still giving me a little bit of depth. I'm mainly gonna use that to, I'm mainly gonna use this color to just intensify the outer crease. Sometimes eyeshadow palettes, when they're new, you have to kind of break them in and keep working like the eyeshadow with the brush on the pan, and they'll get better as they go. I'm taking a clean Dose of Colors brush and just blending out the edges like that. I really like how that's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and lightly carve out my crease just because I want that really sharp, but I'm not gonna completely like, you know, do a whole like crease situation. I just wanted a clean space to apply like the shimmery color. Taking an Anastasia A4 flat shader brush and some of the Overachiever concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and just carve out the front of my eye. Now we're gonna do with some color. Usually I wouldn't do something like this, but I'm going to for the sake of the video because I always do like warm stuff. I can either do pumpkin spice or hit it with like a little bit of pink. I really like this shade in the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up with that same brush. Oh, it's nice and pigmented. I also love how pigmented these colors are. Going back with that darker shade, I'm gonna use that to low-key fade those two eyeshadows together like that. Now I'm gonna go with this really dark shade right here. I don't know how great it's gonna be, but of course we're going to try it out. Taking a little pencil brush from Laura Mercier. Mercier, please. If I see one more person correcting me on that, I'm gonna block you, sorry, but I mean it. I'm gonna use this to just like that, yep, exactly. Give myself a little bit of shadow in the outer corner. Almost like a fake like eyeliner situation. I am also very excited to try the new Huda Beauty eyeliner. So it's actually a liquid liner and also like a pencil liner. Let me see if I can open it for you guys. Oh yeah, sorry, it like twists off like that. So I'm gonna be using this. I'm not gonna do a wing today, even though I should do a wing. You know what? I'm gonna do a wing because it's an eyeliner, okay? How can I not? I love like the bristles on it. Like it's so smooth. It doesn't skip on your eyelid. That's usually like my problems with like wing liners and stuff. Like the felt tip liners, sometimes it skips. So it's like hard to get that really nice straight line. So now I'm gonna go in with the Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. I didn't even know they had this product until I got it in PR. I was like, what? Never knew of her. Oh my God, it smells amazing. I love Huda Beauty's scent for their face products. Literally the best scent I've ever smelled for foundation or powder. This is amazing. We also have a sponge. It's called the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I never knew they had a sponge either. Here we have the foundation. You guys know how much I love it. This is the I'm Already 310. I just ran out of this one, so I have Dulce de Leche. Here's 350, so it's actually quite darker, I feel like. I have another one, but it's in my freelance makeup kit. There's still some left. Oh my God, this foundation, guys. It's like, you guys know how much I love my Superstay from Maybelline. This is like the high-end version. I cannot live without it. This is actually a lot of foundation. You guys will see how much this will cover my face. And then this is a sponge, all like nice and puffed up with water. Actually, I also have some Huda Beauty brushes that I've been using for a while now. They're all dirty because I use them for like my blue look, which sucks. And I don't have time to clean them right now. Aww. I wish I could like, oh, maybe I can go like this and clean it for you guys really quickly. Oh yes. Oh please, I'm using this Clinique makeup brush cleanser. It instantly cleans them. Also, this brush is giving it to me. I gotta go all the way down. Your girl needs a tan ASAP. We're gonna use the Huda Beauty Tan Tour Contour Bronzer Cream. I've been dying to use this. It's in the color Light. And I'm gonna use it with that same brush. Oh my God, you guys have no idea how excited I am about this. So you like apply it like this. And then it just like blends into your skin. This is pretty amazing. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and run it on my jawline. I also love how natural and easy that blended out. I'm gonna take my favorite brush that I've been using for cream contouring, and I'm gonna apply it to the sides of my nose like this. I can tell you right now, that I am loving the face products, even though I have used like the foundation before. But this contour thing is like a godsend. Now we're gonna be taking Granola concealer, because actually no, Cookie Dough. It is the lightest one that I have. This, I've always wanted to try it. It's my first time. Only a little bit because it is as intense as the foundation. I've seen girls on Instagram literally pour this on their face and I literally cringe. Like, they put so much on, as I am doing the same thing. But it's my first time, you know, but it has like the little cold tip applicator, which was really good on the skin. Now I'm gonna be using the sponge. Oh my God, I haven't done my makeup with like a makeup sponge in so long. I forgot what it felt like. I've been using brushes like crazy. That is a lot of concealer. It's like double the amount than what I poured. Oh my God, this is a lot of concealer. I'm gonna use that to really like clean up that nose area. We're gonna go in with loose powder. You guys know I love my pound cake one. I actually right now, so I'm taking the translucent color, which is like no pigment. I think I have another one too, but that one might be too dark for me. Here we go. I gotta spin my legs so you don't get on my pants. I forgot how good this smelled. Oh my God. Huda Beauty needs to come out with like pressed powders. This is hands down like my favorite loose setting powder, and then comes the Laura Mercier. This one just has my heart. And the fact that it's colorless, like I'm not mad about it either, you know? Dig. Now, I'm gonna take this brush that I've been loving to just set like my face with powder. There's a little color in it already. I like to use this to set the areas of my face, like around my eyebrows and stuff. I have been wanting to play with these right here. These are the Met and Metals like liquid eyeshadows. Sure, I think I want to play with the pink one because, hello, why not? I'm taking the metal side of V and I'm going to just apply a little bit of that on top of the eyeshadow. I'm actually melting it into the matte. It was kind of like a rough transition there, so it's actually working out pretty good. Okay, now let's go ahead and move on to blush, highlight, and the lips. I'm really happy how the look came together. I do gotta put some like eyeliner on my lashes, so I'll be doing that in a second. But I have these two Huda Beauty highlight palettes. I have the Pink Sands and Golden Sands. I think I'm gonna go with Golden Sands first for the blush because Golden Sands is a lot deeper and it's actually the first one that I actually bought. So I really have been liking to take like a dual fiber brush to apply my blush, and I'm taking the color Zanzibar. It gives me a nice flush of color but also some shimmer, so you can get away without wearing any highlight or blush if you use like something like this. I do want to add a little more color, so I'm gonna go in with Ibiza from the Pink Sands, and I'm showing you guys options just in case you guys have either or. I don't have their setting spray, which I heard is really good. I'm gonna go with my regular setting spray. You guys know I love doing this step before I do like any of my highlighters and stuff. So while my face dries, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the lips. Really excited. I posted the picture on Instagram already and you guys were loving the lip combination. It was by accident. This is the Huda Beauty new lipsticks right here. And I just picked out two colors like randomly and they ended up working just fine. The first one that I picked out, it was a little too dark, and then I grabbed another one and it was like light one and it was like amazing. So this right here is a lip liner from Huda Beauty called TRENSETTER. I've had this for a couple months now and it is like my favorite one so far, like from her line. I find that it's deep enough for like depth and to contour, but also it's like still a nude for me, so that's why I like it. The shade TRENSETTER, and I'm going to overline my lips with this. These are one of the best lip liners that I've tried from like high end. I absolutely love how creamy they are. Now for lip color, we're gonna go in with the shade Game Night. This is one of the new Huda Beauty nude. It's more of a deeper color. I love it for the fall. It is a rich, like deep brown. This formula for the lipsticks is also super creamy, super velvety, and it lasts a long time. So this color is absolutely stunning, but I feel like it was a little too dark for me. So I'm gonna go in now with the color Girls Trip. Look at how beautiful this looks. So I'm gonna apply it right in the center. I absolutely love this lip combo. Well, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys loved and enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and follow me down below at valeria.orellanes. And subscribe down below to my YouTube channel. And if you want to be notified when I make new uploads, make sure to hit the little subscribe button and the little bell button so you're notified when I make new uploads. Also follow me at Instagram at valeria.beauty so you guys can keep up with me on a daily basis. As always, I will have the product studies mentioned listed down below along with the links and everything you need to know to shop. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see of like full brand makeup, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. That is it for today, guys. I love you so much. Muchos besitos. Y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.